how to create an n8n cloud account. Alright, let's create your n8n cloud account and get you started with automation in the cloud. Open your browser and go n8n.io. On the home screen, please tap Get Started. You will land on the sign up page. Here, enter your full name, enter your company email, and confirm the email address. Enter your password, enter your account name. Here you will either see start free 14-day trial or create account. You will get some question, answer the question. You can invite member to your workspace or you can skip for now. And that's it. You have successfully created your n8n cloud account. If this quick tutorial helped, don't forget to hit the like button, drop a comment if you face any issue, and of course subscribe for easy tech guides. See you in the next one.